So you might be in a situation where you're wanting to go ahead and basically fix the dirt behind your screen protector on your iPhone. So maybe there's a screen protector on your iPhone and there's dirt, actual dirt or smudges behind the screen protector. Now, there's a few ways to go ahead and fix this. Now, number one, the main way I would recommend to kind of fix this is by going through and seeing if there's an opening around your particular, screen protector. So what this means is that if you have screen protectors around your device, you want to go ahead and basically lift up the screen protector on your device, grab some sort of napkin or some sort of like small kind of non-abrasive tool that you can kind of remove those smudges and remove those things from under the screen protector. Lifting the screen protector can also cause more dirt to get in there. So you have to remember that if you're going to lift it, you might end up seeing more dirt come into it. So you're going to have to kind of keep that in mind in and of itself. So keep that in mind. However, in some cases, you probably are better off if you just go through and you actually just replace the screen protector itself. Rather than trying to clean out that screen protector, there's not really another easy way to do it. Your best bet is to go through, lift up the screen protector, clean out the whole entire display, clean up everything within it, and then place the screen protector back in. That is basically probably the best thing you can do here. That's probably going to end up fixing it for the most part. So in terms of that, that pretty much kind of covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.